I don't know where Google is guiding me, but it's not guiding me to a beach where I can actually go, because it's legit just mountains, just like cliffs. Like, how do I get to the actual beach without dying? What do you mean, this leads to the beach? Like, literally, it was trying to kill me. Right, so this is us. Oh, they're decorated for Christmas. I'm just gonna drop my bags in because it's not time to check in yet. We're actually getting in earlier. It's 1:41, which is great because I don't have to like wander around outside, and I could just drop my things in my room and actually check out the room. I'm so excited. Oh, this is like such a cool vibe. This is my view from the first floor. Okay. Anywho, yeah, let me give you all a quick hotel room tour. When I tell you, I literally just booked this hotel for the vibes. Like, I like the way the decoration here is. Let me show you all the room. Like this. This is just like all mirrors. Oh, there's a TV, yeah. Anyways, this is the bathroom. I also like that this place actually smells like cleaning supplies. And this is my what the heck? What the heck? Oh my goodness. I'm definitely not using that overhead shower. The green tiles is what sold me. But I like the contrasting colors and like the architecture that went into this room. I took a quick shower and tried to figure out what I'm gonna do. Honestly, time really just be passing me by because it is 3:55. We haven't done anything yet. I didn't realize, which is honestly good for me. Good looking out ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is the one who helped me like figure out where to book and all of that. There's a restaurant nearby. It's called Lolita Barcelona. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. I kid you not, it's like right next door from the hotel. I ordered the paella. I ordered a seafood one, but with only shrimp and calamari. I didn't want the other like seafood stuff in it. And then I also ordered like a rich drink. This is what it is. So I didn't want anything like alcoholic or none of that. This whole doing things solo is like so new to me. Please remember, I ordered it without all that extra seafood. It's just the shrimp and I think calamari if they even added it, but yeah. It was just a bite of the rice. The rice is good. It's just like normal fried with seafood. Just came from the restaurant. The paella was decent. I don't know, maybe it's because like the stuff I removed, but then I wouldn't have eaten those anyways. Like, they don't cover their mouths when they cough, and that goes for all of Europe, especially the UK. The UK, oh my goodness, the way they cough or whatever is like actually notoriously crazy, because it's like they're actively trying to get you sick, and then they it's like they build up the snot from the deepest depths of their souls and like just let it all out. Bro, this morning at the airport on my way here, tell me why I saw this man sneeze on both of his hands, rub them together, and then hold the little like, you know, like the pole thing and the buses to hold his balance. I was like, are you serious? I just realized I forgot to get like little souvenirs when I was at Lisbon. Kind of sad, but you know what, it's okay because I didn't get one for the UK either, so I think Paris is the only place I got little souvenirs from, and that wasn't even, actually it was. I kept two of the mini Eiffel Towers. And I was just speaking to my dad like a few minutes ago, and then he's like, oh, okay, so like what historical places did you visit when you were in Portugal? I was like, nowhere. So he wants me to like visit historical things while I'm here, I guess, which I understand, but I'm just here for vibes, like, you know. And to think that my carry-on was already overweight when I got here, bro. This is the host of the show, moi. Anyways, let me show you guys the selection before I try them on. So we have this right here, similar to the ones in Zara. Bershka is less expensive than Zara, because what do you mean? 30 bucks? I think Zara has something like this for like 60. Up next, we have these gray pants. It doesn't look that interesting, but it matches this top. I don't know, maybe. I'll try it together. And then we have this fur dress. What's crazy is the mannequin had a top version of this, and I want the top. I haven't seen it. All I've seen is the dress. So I'll try the dress on. And then we have these pants. Hopefully they look well on me, because I'm not gonna lie, out of everything in this lineup, that's probably the most practical for the outfits I already have in terms of making things work together. So this is what the jacket looks like on me. I think it's very cute. Like, tell me this don't eat. Tell me this don't eat. And if you say don't eat, you know what you are? You're a hater. If you say it doesn't eat, you're a hater, and that's one point blank, period. Okay, so now this is what the pants look like. I still have the jacket on, but like, this is what it's giving. I could just tuck in the strings to inside. Let me do that. Like, I don't know. I feel like I would probably definitely wear this. I haven't tried this zipped up. Probably not zipped up, but I still think it's cute. If you see the same exact fit on me, don't say nothing. You didn't see it. This is what the set looks like on me. I'm not feeling this. No bueno. Here's the dress on. It's giving Ice Princess. Let it go. Let it go. I like how soft it is. Like, yeah. I'm not gonna buy it though. So final verdict, we're taking these and this. Everything else can stay at the store. This is what the neighborhood looks like. Yeah, we're in a busy street, but we're gonna get gelato because why not? That will lighten up the mood. Hola. Por favor, avellana blanca y caramelo salado. Okay, I just tried the Nicola Suprema. It's really good. It tastes like Ferrero Rocher chocolate.
Okay. It's similar.
Yeah. Okay, this is my ice cream. Ah, so excited. That was cutesy. Now on to the next thing, provided by yours truly, ChatGPT. So it's having us go to Casa Mia, which is only an 8-minute walk from Casa Bastillo. So that's very convenient. Here it is. So now that I came and I saw, it's time to move on. I'm going to El Nacional Food Hall, provided by yours truly, of course. It's crazy how I be trying to vlog myself, and then I guess people won't realize because this is like a DJI, and they'll go right in the middle of my vlog and side eye it. Like, ma'am, I was not aiming at you. You came in my shot, and now you're mad on a public street? That's crazy. I love Five Guys, but it gets to a point. It really does get to a point. So that was like a true I came in, I saw moment, because I walked in, I did a lap, walked back out, because that doesn't look like food I want to eat. What is this restaurant? Let's meet in the middle. Sounds interesting. This is what it's, maybe. Okay. Nah, Five Guys it is. I'm a creature of habit, I fear. Actually, it might not be Five Guys after all, because I just walked in there. I'm sorry, that beef smelled a little bit too real for me. Let's see, there's this pizza place right here. Okay, I feel like this is brunch. So let's see what's actually available right now. Or if I could get into the burger. Hola. Or I could get into the burger place. I decided to go back to Five Guys. I'm not getting a burger go. I don't think I am, at least. It really smelled like they had the cow in the back. I think I mainly just want a milkshake and fries. We're gonna get some little Cajun. Strawberry and mango. Five Guys secured. Now, time to get back to the hotel. The hotel has like a little coffee station. It's actually right outside of my door. I'll show you guys actually. Yeah, I think that's better. And they gave me a free water bottle. Where is it? Okay, they gave me a free water bottle, and I can refill. They also have a water station right there too. And I think they said they provide like some type of breakfast or something, but I think it was like a croissant or something. I don't know, something like that. But either way, I like croissants. I don't care. Okay. So this is the little coffee station that they have. Everything is for free. Oh, they even have like a little computer desk. Anyways, this is the water station. Not sure if you could see it well, but this is today's fit. The jacket from yesterday. Another black top. And I'm wearing the black pants I bought yesterday, which honestly, not the best thing to do sanitarily, but I'm also wearing leggings underneath those pants. Given that I'm already late, I thought, why not? I'll just have one of the hotel croissants, and I might as well make myself some hot chocolate. I made the decision to get this one because it is the 5th one, and compared to the Canon G7X Mark III, this one is better. So I'm gonna get this. Camera secured. Y'all, it's me trying to unbox my camera right now so I can hopefully use it while doing the bike tour thing. I need something to rip this open with. Oop, never mind, found a key first. I was gonna empty my bag so I could put all the things I need for my trip. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. Because I just texted the people and I told them I'm on my way. I am not on my way, child. I'll be 10 minutes late. Read the instructions in the manual. Oh my gosh, that's a thick manual. Maybe it's in different languages. More papers. What are we getting to the camera? Here goes my baby. We're at Arc de Triomphe.
But actually it's also bad, guys, because they're pretty aggressive to us. They start this business by one order.
I booked a bike tour because my dad said I can't just go for vibes and I actually have to see historic spots. So here goes La Garda Familia. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The tour guide told us a bit about the architect who built this church. His name was Gaudi. He also built Casa Bastillo along with Casa Mia. Unfortunately, Gaudi died before he could finish building this church, which is why parts of it outside is a bit darker than the newer parts, and the darker parts are more rounded, which is his style of architecture, versus the straighter parts, which are newer because there's a different architect. The church is projected to be completed by 2026. But now I have to hurry up and get back to the group because we got some more biking to do, unfortunately. Like, I wish I could just call it quits here and have them take the bike back for me. I'm so tired and my legs feel numb.
So he changed his mind and he decided to house like this, from a house like that.
I found this popular restaurant on TikTok. Let's go inside and see if we can get a seat. I don't have a reservation, so I am at the bar. Okay, so my food finally came. Let's eat. Honestly, I'm not a fan. Well, it just left. I most definitely was not a fan. I feel like maybe it's been popularized too much and they just don't have enough employees to like actually serve all that. Not only that, but the space itself is very small for the amount of people they let in. And now I'm gonna try this other very viral place. It sells churros. Hi, so I literally rushed back to the hotel just so I can try the churros with the, I think it's like hot chocolate. I don't think it's like hot chocolate, like, you know, the drink hot chocolate, but I feel like it's melted chocolate because it was really dark. Today has been a day. I'm glad I did this today though. I wish I did it yesterday. I need to stop doing like better on the last day versus the first day. I need to start off strong so I can finish stronger. Okay. Let's eat it. It's literally just chocolate. It's 6 pieces of churros and they have like sugar around it. I wanted the full churro experience. Wow. It's chocolate. And it's still hot, like, whoa. I'm wondering though what they did with the chocolate because it tastes like chocolate, but the consistency of this is as if you were to melt chocolate, but it also low-key tastes like chocolate gelatin versus like, you know, like chocolate. I would rate this like a 7.5 out of 10. Now I just need to prep for Athens tomorrow morning because I think my flight is at like 8 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. So yeah.